In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create loan EMI calculator in Microsoft Excel. Open a blank workbook and set up a simple two-column layout. In the left column, type your labels. In the right column, enter values. At the top, add the title Mortgage Calculator. Below it, add these labels on separate rows: loan amount, annual interest rate, loan term, years, and payments per year. Put each input to the right of its label. Format loan amount as currency and annual interest rate as a percentage. With two decimals, leave the term and payments per year as numbers. For most monthly loans, payments per year is 12. Next, create a spot for the result called monthly payment. This is your EMI, the equal amount you'll pay each period. Use Excel's PMT function, which calculates a payment from the interest rate, total number of payments, and the loan principal. In the cell to the right of monthly payment, enter a formula like Exel PMT annual rate payments per year, loan years payments per year, loan amount. If your inputs sit to the right of the labels, an example is Exel PMT B3, B5, B4, B5, B2. The minus sign turns Excel's default negative cash flow into a positive payment. Press enter, and your periodic payment appears. If payments per year is 12, that value is the monthly EMI. Now calculate the total cost of the loan over its full term. Add the label total loan cost, and to its right, multiply the monthly payment by the total number of payments. Using the same references, that formula is B7, B4, B5. This number is everything you will pay from start to finish, principal plus interest. To check sensitivity, briefly change the interest rate or term and notice how the total changes. Higher rates or longer terms increase the amount you pay. Finish by making it easy to read. Apply currency format to the payment and total cost. Add borders and consider light shading for the input cells so they stand out. Finally, save the workbook as a template so you can reuse it for future loan scenarios.